Well, a while ago somebody wanted me to make a video of using this washing machine in action. So I'm just filling it up now. I'm going to be washing some shop rags. So I figured I'd just demonstrate this washer running. So I'm just going to let it fill up using some high efficiency detergent here. And be right back. Okay, that's pretty full. So I'm going to plug it in. Ooh, sparks. Did you see that? Wait, here we go. Oh, I didn't do it that time. Damn. Alright, well anyway. Shut that off. And we'll put it in gear. And there we go. We'll let that wash for a while. Look at how dirty that is already. Holy shit. I'm gonna have to wash this stuff twice. No spin cycle, of course. You have to wring it out with that. Nothing will be able to stop that agitator. That thing's just going to keep trucking through anything. That's so powerful. Look how dirty the water is. Well, I guess I'm going to let the water drain out now. Check that and put that in neutral. So let's drain it out. It's gonna have to drain it out over the floor, but there we go. Wow. Oh, something plugged it up. Oh, this might take a while. I really don't want to reach down in there. Wait. There we go. Should have found a little hose to hook that up to. That is some really dirty water. Sometime I gotta get some paint, repaint all that. Maybe get the old oil out of the gearbox and put some new oil in. Well, now it's time to demonstrate the wringer. So we're going to plug it back in. Ooh, sparked that time. And this thing will go backwards and forwards. It's going to be kind of hard to do it with one hand, but I'm just going to put this through. This thing is kind of tangled up. Wow, it's a lot of leaves and shit. That works really nice. You can tighten it up on that. All these leaves got on here. That'll suck just about anything through there. Careful you don't suck your hand in it too. Works really good. And I need two hands to untangle that, so I guess I'm going to end this video for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.